In this video, we will guide you through the process of logging a query on eCARE. To begin, navigate to HCP and select Home. On this page, locate the Queries tab. You will notice two sub-tabs, Create Queries and View Queries. Select Create Queries. The system will display a list of all invoices you have submitted to RMA. If the invoice list is extensive and you need to locate a specific claim, use the search function. Enter the claim number in the Search Claim field. Once the claim displays, select it by clicking the checkbox. Scroll down to the Log a Query section and complete the required details. This includes selecting the query type, query category, and capturing the query description, where you can provide details of your query. You may also attach supporting documents if required. In this demonstration, no documents will be attached. Click Save to submit the query. A confirmation pop-up will appear, indicating that the query has been logged successfully and displaying the assigned query number. Click OK to close the message. To view the query you have just logged, select the View Queries tab and refresh the page. The query will display with a status of Submitted. Under the Actions column, click the ellipsis to view the available options. These include View Feedback, View Linked Items, and Respond. The View Feedback option is initially unavailable as no feedback has been received yet. View Linked Items displays the invoice linked to the claim number, along with additional invoice details and its status. The Respond option allows you to add additional information to an existing query. After submitting this information and returning to the page, you will notice that View Feedback becomes available, displaying the information you provided as the healthcare provider. Once RMA responds to the query, their feedback will be visible under the View Queries tab, and that is how you log a query on eCARE.